Hello, I'm Chris from Resideo. Today I want to show you how to use the T10 Plus thermostat kit to adjust your humidity settings on a Honeywell Home Whole Home Dehumidifier. The T10 Plus kit displays the indoor humidity level and allows you to select a dehumidification setting. This thermostat can control dehumidification using the cooling system or a whole home dehumidifier. To adjust the settings, touch any part of the display to wake up the thermostat. Then touch the menu icon at the bottom of the screen, select dehumidification, adjust the humidity level using the up and down arrows, select options to turn the dehumidifier on or off. Lastly, touch Done to save your settings. Thank you for watching. For additional information, please visit Resideo Academy.